Hello learners, greeting for the day as I know that you already have been doing German. But I feel that some of my students, my current students also face a lot of problem with past tense. Because present tense though we've learned it in our basic levels. Like we say I play, you play, he's dancing, she's dancing. Now how do we change it from present to past? So in German from present to past we have three things in past tense. One is preteritum, second is participle perfect, थर्ड इज प्लसकॉम्परफेक्ट. प्रेजेंट में सिंपल है प्रेजेंस होता है, फ्यूचर में सिंपल है फ्यूचर होता है. ओनली वन टेंस टाइप इज देयर, बट इन पास्ट वी हैव थ्री. फर्स्ट वन, लेट्स रिपीट, प्रेटेरिटिव. सेकेंड, पार्टिसिप परफेक्ट. एंड थर्ड वन इज प्लसकॉम्परफेक्ट. So today I'm going to tell you how do we make from present to past. We have to use a helping verb called haben or sein. Haben means we all know to have and sein means to be. अभी haben के साथ क्या होता है? It is no movement verb. Obviously I'm eating, there is a movement, but when there is no change of surrounding, if I'm eating in the same place, at the same area, I'm not moving, that's called as haben, no movement. When I'm traveling, suppose you're at your home and you're coming for an offline class at Mentor, you're moving a movement, that is called as sein. So haben as a verb conjugation works with no movement and sein works with movement. Here movement and no movement is surrounded related. आपकी surrounding बदल रही है तो वो movement हो गया, आपकी surrounding same है तो no movement हो गया. अब ये German से logic नहीं दिया था. This we have discovered to make you learn कि haben में कौन सी लिस्ट आएगी और sein में कौन सी लिस्ट आएगी. Past tense बनाने के लिए हम GE ऐड करते हैं और ending करते हैं TEN से. For example, spielen becomes hat gespielt. Now in present tense I say I play football. Ich spiele Fußball. Wonderful. How do we say that in past tense? Ich habe Fußball gespielt. Now you'll say that playing has a movement, but you'll play in the same ground. You're not moving from one ground to another ground. So surrounding is the same. So it's going to be haben verb. Second is sein. Ich fahre nach Mumbai. I am traveling to Mumbai. But now when you're moving from one place to another place, you're having a change of atmosphere, change of place. You say, Ich bin nach Mumbai gefahren. So how do you make a perfect tense? Subject plus helping verb, either haben or sein, rest of the sentence and the perfect goes at the end. How do we make a perfect? Adding GE in the starting or and T and EN in the end. That's how we make a perfect tense verb, right? I hope you've understood this. I'm going to share you the perfect list by the end of the class. Also, I'm going to do a few exercises for making it more clear. But German being German, there's always an exceptions. Exceptions I'm going to make you learn soon. I hope you enjoyed the class. See you soon.